Welcome back. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams you can buy right now. Whether you want crystal clear 4K footage, excellent night vision, reliable parking protection, or advanced smart features, we've selected 5 dash cams that stand out for different types of drivers. We've compared video quality, features, reliability, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the right camera for your car. So, let's get started with the countdown. Number 5. Garmin Dashcam Mini 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is an excellent choice for drivers who want a discreet dash cam that doesn't take up much space on the windshield. Its extremely compact design allows it to sit almost unnoticed behind the rearview mirror, while still providing clear Full HD video for everyday driving. The camera captures important details such as road signs, vehicles, and license plates, while Garmin's HDR technology helps maintain better detail in challenging lighting conditions. One of its biggest advantages is simplicity. Installation is straightforward, the camera can be controlled through Garmin's ecosystem, and Wi-Fi connectivity makes it convenient to view and save recordings. It can also work with Garmin's parking monitoring features when properly connected to constant power, giving you additional protection while your car is parked. If you don't need 4K resolution and prefer something small, reliable, and easy to hide, the Mini 3 is a fantastic option for everyday drivers. Number 4. Maya 5 S1 Ultra. The Maya 5 S1 Ultra is designed for drivers who want significantly more detail and a more advanced recording system. Its high-resolution camera captures sharp footage during the day, while its advanced image processing and HDR capabilities help improve visibility in difficult lighting and nighttime conditions. The system can also support additional camera coverage, giving drivers a wider view of what's happening around the vehicle. Built-in GPS helps record useful information such as location and driving data, while Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring footage to your smartphone much easier than removing the memory card every time. The Maya 5 also includes useful driver-focused features such as parking monitoring and intelligent alerts, depending on the configuration. Overall, it offers an impressive combination of video quality, smart features, connectivity, and everyday practicality, making it a strong choice for drivers who want more than a basic dash cam without moving all the way into an expensive premium system. Number 3. 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni. The 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni stands out from conventional dash cams because of its unique rotating camera design, allowing it to capture a much wider view around the vehicle. Instead of simply pointing forward, the camera can intelligently rotate to follow activity, making it particularly useful for parking surveillance in situations where something happens beside the vehicle. Its 4K recording provides excellent daytime detail, while advanced night vision technology helps preserve important information after dark. The camera also incorporates intelligent monitoring features that can detect movement and provide alerts, while built-in GPS and smartphone connectivity make reviewing and managing footage convenient. With its combination of high-resolution recording, panoramic coverage, AI-powered features, and innovative physical design, the 70mm Dashcam 4K Omni is one of the most interesting options for drivers who want a dash cam that goes beyond traditional front-facing recording. Number 2. Nextbase IQ. The Nextbase IQ takes the concept of a dash cam much further by combining high-quality video recording with connected car security features. Rather than functioning only as a camera, the IQ is designed as a smart vehicle security system that can provide remote access, intelligent alerts, and enhanced protection when you're away from your car. Its high-resolution cameras provide detailed footage, while features such as SmartSense parking help monitor activity around the vehicle when parked. Through its connected features, drivers can receive notifications and check what's happening around their vehicle remotely, depending on the available subscription and connectivity services. The system also includes advanced safety functions designed to provide additional awareness while driving. Its premium design and sophisticated software make it considerably more advanced than a basic dash cam. For drivers who prioritize security, connected features, and comprehensive monitoring rather than simply recording the road ahead, the Nextbase IQ is one of the most impressive choices available. Number 1. Viofo A329S. The Viofo A329S takes the number 1 position because it focuses heavily on the feature that matters most in a dash cam: capturing highly detailed footage when you actually need it. Its advanced Sony Starvis 2 image sensors deliver excellent image quality during both daytime and nighttime driving, with strong dynamic range that helps preserve detail in bright sunlight, shadows, and difficult night scenes. The A329S also supports high-resolution recording, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS, and advanced storage options, making it suitable for drivers who want a serious recording system rather than a basic camera. With compatible additional cameras, the system can provide broader coverage around the vehicle, while parking mode adds another layer of protection when the car is unattended. Its overall build quality, image performance, connectivity, and flexible configuration make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts, commuters, and professional drivers alike. If your priority is maximum recording quality combined with advanced features and reliable everyday performance, the Viofo A329S is a standout choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams. From the compact Garmin Mini 3 to the feature-packed Viofo A329S, each camera offers something different depending on your needs and budget. If this guide helped you choose your next dash cam, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more automotive tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.